Welcome to this quick guide on how to unblock someone on Gmail using your PC, especially with the new update in mind. If you've found yourself blocking someone and now want to reconnect, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Once the page loads, log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your account settings. Now that you're in the account settings, find the option labeled People and Sharing on the left-hand side. Click on that to proceed. As you scroll through the People and Sharing section, keep an eye out for the Blocked option. This section conveniently lists all the contacts you've blocked in the past. To unblock someone, find the name of the person you wish to reconnect with. Next to their name, you'll see an option that says Remove followed by their name. Simply click on that and poof, you've successfully unblocked that person. And that's all there is to it. It's a straightforward process, and now you can stay connected without any hassle. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.